Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on AI Skills Navigator Day 1. It's right now 8th of June and it's 7:29 p.m. and I'm recording this live. So I'm going to attend this event called Prepare for Microsoft Certification Exam AB-731 AI Transformation Leader. As you can see, the time is 7:30 p.m. IST for all of the folks who are in India. You can click on this event details right under AI Skills Fest. If you scroll down, you can see this right. And this is day one. I've opened this on LinkedIn, and as you can see on this page, people are commenting. They are waiting for this event to get started. Let me wait also live. Prepare for Microsoft certification exam. It is starting soon, and yes, we can get the vouchers. So I'm waiting for the event to get started, and yes. Meanwhile, let me walk you through the today's other events where you can get all these vouchers. The other is at 9 p.m. It's called Microsoft Certification Exam AI 103. And the last one for today is 10:30 p.m. It's for Reimagine AI Collaboration for Business, 5 practical prompts and workflows. So the idea is that for all these three events, you attend those events on LinkedIn, and they're going to provide you vouchers during the session, so you can get those vouchers and you can get started. So that's the whole idea on your email ID. So it's very important that you have to register with a single with one ID right throughout on this one, and then you can get started. It's taking some time to start, but yeah, let's wait together and let's see when is the event gonna start. So yeah, this is preparation for Microsoft certification AI transformation leader. People are commenting, as you can see, all over from the world. They have, they mentioned that they have previous year certifications from Microsoft. So all of us are excited. And yep, for this event to get started, it's almost 7:31 p.m. But yeah, let's wait for 5-10 minutes and see what is going to happen here. And yep, let's wait. And please note that I will be making videos on each and every time of this event, right? And I'm going to upload so that all of you can also watch and enroll and see this video as I'm also watching. But yeah, this is quite helpful for all of you. So yeah, let's wait. Yeah, people are saying when it's gonna start. I'm not sure. It's already 7:32 p.m. and it will start over soon. Let's see. So I've seen a lot of you guys also commenting on this channel that what is the voucher, how if I can get different vouchers for different exams, what is the email ID. So all of those questions will be answered in this event right now. You just have to be patient and yeah, attend these events daily, and if all of your queries will be answered once you attend these sessions, right? So yeah, let's wait for a few minutes. Let's see what is happening. Mm-hmm. Let me check on the other page what is happening. Things just plain. Mm-hmm. Yes, already 7:33 p.m. They are not. It's not yet started. Uh, let's see. Let's see. It's pretty live. I don't know. So yeah, it will take some time, but you can see, basically Andrew Conniff is a lead technical trainer at Microsoft, is going to give us guidance on AB-731 exam, and also along with guidance of these exams, he is going to provide us the certification vouchers for different exams as well. So that is the whole idea. That is why many people are commenting here, right? But yeah, it's gonna take some time. What I will do is now stop this video so that you also can, log in and come to this page and attend the session. So yeah, thank you for watching.